Hey guys, this is George. I'm going to go over George's Excel car loan calculator. And this is a simple Microsoft Excel template that can help you estimate what your monthly payment will be, and also estimate what the total interest would be over the life of the loan given different type of loan scenarios. So there's two main worksheets in the program. There's the car loan calculator, which allows you to just set up an example of a single loan. And then there's also the car loan payment calculator where you can compare two different options side by side. So let's go ahead and look at that one first. And in option number one here, I'm going to enter a loan amount. Let's say that we took out a loan of $20,000 for the car. And the interest rate we'll say is 5%. And the loan term we'll say that we use 6 years. So you can see here in option one, the payment for that scenario is estimated to be $322.10. And down below here, you can see where that amount is also. You can see the total interest over the life of the loan is $3,191.10. The 6 years equates to 72 payments. And then the total of all loan payments, which is the original loan amount plus your interest, is that amount there. So now let's compare it to another example, and we'll start off just using the same variables, 20,000 at 5% for 6 years. Okay, so you can see here that these two are identical. So just to see how you can compare differences, there's three variables that you can actually adjust that will affect the loan payment and the total interest. That's going to be the amount, the fixed interest rate, and the loan term. So right now, let's just adjust the loan term. And you could use the scroll bar here to adjust the years. So let's say that instead of 6 years, we want to pay it off more quickly. And let's choose 5 years. So let's press the scroll bar here. And at 5 years, if you're going to look at them side by side, you could see that in option one, the payment now is bigger. It's 377.42 versus 322.10. Over here in green, we have the difference between the two payments, which is $55.32, which is what you'll be paying more under option one. And the reason being is that you're trying to pay off the loan in a shorter amount of time, so the payment has to be larger given the fact that the other two variables stay the same. So let's say that we want to shrink it down to 4 years. Okay, so you can see that now your payment jumped all the way to $460.59, and the difference between the two is $138.49. So you can play with different scenarios and see which payment amount fits in your budget, but also you can also look at the impact on the interest. Now the impact is not as huge if you were comparing like a mortgage loan where the mortgage amount might be a much bigger amount and the life of the loan, maybe 15 or 30 years, is much longer. So the total interest is much bigger. But there still are differences in the interest, total interest over the life of the loan. And you can see here, based on these two different scenarios here, that the one for 6 years, the total interest is $3,191.10. And the one for 4 years is $2,108.12. So that's about a difference of $1,000 if you were to pay them off over the life of their loans. Okay, so down below you have the total of all payments, and you can compare those two also. So you could also adjust the interest rate and compare different interest rates if you like in different loan amounts. So that's the side-by-side example of how you can compare two amounts. And let's go back over here to this other example I gave here. This is where you just want to enter one loan amount and not compare. So let's just say that we had a loan of $15,000. Let's say the interest rate was 4, and we're going to pay it off in 5 years. So right away you have your car loan payment estimate of $276.25. That's the monthly payment. The total interest you would pay over the life of that loan is $1,574.87. And the total of all your payments is your original loan amount plus all that interest. And that would be $16,574.87. And down here is the total number of payments, which would be 12 times 5 years. Okay, so that's a quick overview of George's Excel car loan payment calculator. And if you would like to download this Excel template, just look below in the description and you can click the link there. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks.